Hey everyone, Jason and Katie here, and we are Vocal Lab Collective. Welcome to your 1-minute vocal tip. Today we're going to talk about chest voice. I want everyone out there to put your hand on your chest and say ma 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 ma.
Ma 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 ma.
If you feel subtle resonation right there, that is your chest voice. Now some people may have a problem with their chest voice. Katie?
Ma 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 ma. We are actually going to be a little bit more tight and compressed in air. And that's okay. That doesn't mean you can't find this coordination in your voice. This is the foundation of your voice, and we can help you find that to enable the rest of your entire vocals.
Typically, this can be a very female-male situation, correct?
Right.
Many males speak from their chest voice like I am right now. Katie talks.
We talk a little bit higher.
And then a little nasal in Katie's voice. So for females, you may have a little bit of issue developing your chest voice, which again, we can help with that, or a coach. And males will have an easier concept with your chest voice.
Put your hand on your chest, see if you got it, and we'll take you from there.